back to Vlogtober day
13.
Day 13, lucky 13. If you are new and you have missed any of Vlogtober, I have created a Vlogtober 2025 playlist for videos 1 through 12, so you can catch up on all of the unboxing fun. What Juliet and I are doing is we are counting down to Halloween, so we are doing 31 videos in 31 days and opening gifts in all of them. Today we have one family gift, and Juliet is going to be opening it. Oh, I love these. We actually use these to kind of like protect our outdoor decor from like when the lawn people come, so they know not to mow our lawn. These are so fun. So they're just like, it's like Halloween fright tape. So there's like bloody hands, and then I think one says horror zone, and then more bloody hands. It says caution. They're just really fun.
Caution, don't get too close.
So we wrap these like all around our yard again, just so that the lawn people know, oh, we are not mowing there.
Yeah,
Because...
sometimes I don't read it though.
Anyways, these are super cute. I love these. You can never have too many of these. And then those are just caution tape.
I should put this around my backpack at school.
Oh my god, that would be hilarious. You and like your little friends should just wrap all of each other in caution tape and be like,
get away.
Stand back.
Get
like,
away.
We don't have time for you. These are cool. Awesome. We will definitely be using these. Oh, this one might be different. This one says keep out. But the other two are the same.
Put that on the bathroom.
Yeah. We'll just leave it at that. These are super fun. We love getting the decor. Thank you so much, Mom. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow for day 14.
Bye.